Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the intercultural education. So what is intercultural education? Intercultural education refers to the phenomenon of interaction between people, religions, cultures, speakers of different languages who have different opinions and views. This education is fundamental in addressing cultural differences such as principles, values, and traditions, and etc., as well as other differences such as gender, social, economic differences, and etc. Since significant ethnic, social, and religious groups have been part of our society, in the context of increasing diversity, schools have a role to play. Intercultural education is the response to classroom diversity, aiming to go beyond passive coexistence to achieve a developing and sustainable way of living together in the multicultural societies through the creation of understanding, respect, and a productive dialogue between the different groups. Intercultural education is valuable to all pupils in equipping them with skills to participate in an increasingly diverse society. Through programs that encourage dialogue between pupils of different cultures, beliefs, religions, and individual characteristics, education can make an important and meaningful contribution to societies. So why do we need to learn about intercultural education? This wide range of diversity, cognitive, affective, and behavioral reactions individuals during the interaction with other individuals perceived as different and be carried out in a different social environment in which various culture events can be recorded, such that intercultural education refers to education training people able to appreciate different cultures which are set in a traditional society and therefore able to accept to evolve in contact with these cultures so that this diversity could become an asset enriching the cultural, social, and economic life of the environment. Intercultural education can be approached from the perspective of conflicts as a solution to racism, intolerance, and xenophobia. This education is a very useful tool in combating them. And it is believed that lack of spiritual communication generates and maintains other states of misunderstanding and tension. One of the conditions for management of the states of misunderstanding is the identification and maintenance of some lines of spiritual communication. Thus, by educating people in intercultural spirit, a series of problems will be avoided and even solved, such as tendencies of contempt, denial of values and traditions, and different behaviors. Intercultural education, in terms of shaping personal identity, comes from the fact that people come into contact with each other, and maintaining social relationships can be quite difficult because we have different modes of action, thought, and feeling. People can develop different strategies in interpersonal relations, either relations of openness or acceptance to other persons, or retreat in oneself, protecting culture and personal identity. Intercultural education, from the perspective of openness and different values, essentially aims to integrate individuals into a dynamic and polymorphic world. Contributes to the development of individuality by valuing individual traits which must be recognized and evolved, thus supporting the society and ensuring the coherence, functionality, and solidarity. Embracing the concept of intercultural education involves redefining the way knowledge is taught and learned within our rapidly changing world.